VyOS versus pfSense. Which open source firewall is best? If you're setting up a custom router, firewall, advanced network at home or in the office, these two open source solutions are among the top choices, both giving you powerful tools, full control, and enterprise grade features without the price tag. Let's break them down and help you decide which one's right for your setup. So now let's start off with VyOS. So VyOS is a command line based network OS built for professionals. It's similar to Cisco or Juniper routers in how it works, offering full routing, firewall, VPN and DHCP tools through a Linux based CLI. Pros: CLI first like enterprise routers, ideal for advanced routing, OSPF, BGP, etc. It is great for automation and scripting, and it is also lightweight and highly customizable. But there is some downfalls. So there's no graphical interface, steeper learning curve for beginners, and some advanced features are behind a paywall. Now, this is best for network engineers or admins who need fine-grained control and advanced routing features. Okay, so choose VyOS if you're a network pro or need advanced routing, scripting, or automation. It's closer to a professional grade router in feel and flexibility. Or go for pfSense if you want a graphical interface, simpler setup, and a solid firewall VPN platform that's perfect for homes or small businesses. It just comes down to CLI power versus GUI convenience. Both are excellent, just built for different users.